Hello friends. Welcome once again to our channel DuttTech. If you want updates of technical videos instantly, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. In our previous video we have told you about way number 1 of earning money online by writing articles online, by which you can start earning good income in a short period. Today we'll tell you second way of earning good income through online platforms. So don't waste the time and watch full video. Number 2, freelancing. Freelancing is where you do some job or tasks for someone and you'll get paid for doing that for your clients. Most of these are technical or creative. For example, web development, logo designing, data entry work, audio, video editing, programming, PDF to Word, typing work, articles writing, web research, consulting or advising, almost everything.
Earning money online can be hard if you don't have right information about genuine platforms.
It seems unsafe to you if you faced fraud and you'll feel that you are wasting your time. So leave that responsibility on us, because today we will tell you about those genuine websites which will help you to find a large number of new clients for you and to be in touch with them. Let me tell you, the best part is, you don't have to worry about the payment by your clients. You don't have to invest any money. You don't need to go to anywhere outside because you can do the work at your home. And you'll earn by doing what you're good at. The method of freelancing is such simple. A client posts a task on freelancing website. You apply for the task by telling the client that you are suitable for the task or job. After that, the client reviews your profile and selects you. Then you complete their task and you'll get paid. The process of earning can be slow like tortoise, not fast as rabbit in the beginning, but you will definitely win the race of earning. Now let me tell you about those freelancing websites which are genuine and most popular in the world. Those websites are Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can choose any one from these three, but my favorite is Upwork, because its process is simple to understand. Upwork has 12 million registered freelancers and 5 million registered clients. Almost 3 million jobs are posted annually, worth a total of $1 billion United States dollars. Now let's talk about how much you can earn from freelancing. You will find two types of jobs there. Number 1, fixed price jobs, and number 2, hourly priced jobs. In a fixed price jobs, you'll be paid a specific amount which will be discussed with you before joining for the job. And in hourly jobs you'll be paid according to time. For example, if hourly rate for a job is 10 and you work on that job for 6 hours, then you'll be paid 60. You can earn 50,000 Indian rupees or 800 United States dollars per month if you're having good skills. A programmer named James Knight makes over 1,000 an hour working as a freelance developer. You can apply for 30 jobs per month for free on Upwork for now. So what are you waiting for? Just start freelancing now. Keep in mind that client will accept your proposal after reviewing your profile. So make your profile as good as possible. A good profile includes your skills, not your life story, so make it small and skillful. And don't forget to add a profile picture of yourself for being genuine. If you want to know more about freelancing websites, a link will be provided soon in description. Want to ask us something? Please comment below. Third way of earning money online will be posted as early as possible. Don't forget to like and share our videos to support us. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get technical videos instantly.